Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome to my channel together with me, Mr. John. Today, would like to discuss and also would like to share a new thing related to India and also the SONA College of Technology, one of the best colleges from India. Okay, for several days, Mr. John had been joining in the workshop, and this workshop is very challenging, and I would like to share it to you some of informations and also some of scholarship if you want to continue learning in India. Okay, okay. So this workshop from TIEUPS International as a representative of SONA Groups Indonesia, and we know that I know exactly that some of you know India start from the Bollywood and also some kuch kuch hota hai, and also some movies and also some places, amazing places there. But in this opportunity, I would like to discuss about the education system in India, and then how to get the scholarship there. Okay. Next, this let's just discuss about India first. This is the Republic of Indonesia. The capital is New Delhi, and the population is 1.3 billions. And then take a look, so many languages there, and also some religions like Indonesia, so many religions, and also Indonesia called Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, and also in India there is a diversity in unity. Okay, that's at a glance about India, and then let's just take a look for the India education system. Start with the age of 6 up to 10, class 1 up to 5. This is for primary education. And then it's 11 up to 15. This is the class 6 and up 10. This is secondary. And then in the age of 16 up to 17, this is called for the class 11 and 12. This is higher secondary. So the student has only 2 years. And also if you want to join in the scholarship program, this is undergraduate professional, 4 years for medicine and 4 years commerce and 3 years for the general program. And how about the post-graduation? For the postgraduate student, need 1.5 up to 2 years education there. And then why the education in India is one of the interesting and also amazing education, because India is the world's first university is from India, and also with third largest higher education system, more than 800 university, and also 39,000 colleges there, and then world fourth largest numbers of PhD, so many PhDs in India. Okay, I think so. This is a qualified and also have a good quality of education in India. And there are some of CEO in international leading company. The CEO are from India, like Indra Nooyi from PepsiCo, Satya Nadella, and now he's the leader for Microsoft, and also Google now is being led by Sundar Pichai. So there are many successful people from India. Okay, and then how about the tuition? How about the cost? Okay, talking about the cost, it seems like Indonesia, 15 up to 25 million year for a year, for year. Remember, for year, and then for technical program into 25 up to 50 million year. But if you want to get the scholarship, you will contact the TIEUPS International, or you want to try to have an education, amazing education in India, just contact TIEUPS International. It's located in Jakarta. Again, this is SONA College of Technology. This is one of the best college in India. There are several students from various countries there, because this is international. This is international universities, and then why you should choose SONA as if you want to get the scholarship and also wants to study, because there is a lecturers capture system, LCS, learning management system, MATLAB, Moodle, Apple Lab, and also a kit as the system for the university. I think this is modern, yeah. This is modern college. And then a first engineering college to have a green building infrastructure. This is and also awarded as the 5 stars for the University of uh, India. And then also how about why Zona? Because there are so many certificates, okay, and also consists of 4,423 students and also 241 faculty. Okay, can you imagine so many faculties and also 85 PhD and also 130 pursuing PhD. So many PhD lecture there. So this is very qualified university. You must try to get that scholarship. Okay, next, there are some foreign nation student placement. So the student who have the graduated student from the university uh, will be placed in several international company like Dell, Zoho, Yahoo, Zebra, Infoview, and also Post, Nissan, and etc. Next, this university, the student from university also make an electric motor, motor for a space vehicle like this. Okay, this is a space vehicle, and then it is the one of the equipment produced in this college. So this college is really good for you. Okay, and there are some international collaboration with other universities like Nagoya University, Waterloo University in Canada, Hanbuk University in South Korea, Indonesia, and etc. So many international collaborations. Okay, how about the infrastructure? Take a look this one. I would like to share because I hope that some of you wants to join this university. Okay, this is because this is really great university. College infrastructure. Take a look. There are some. They are the facilities, and then take a look. This is the hostel facilities. Okay, this is the dormitory. Looks like hotel, right? There is a chef there. Wow, this is great, and if you can join it, that will be amazing. Okay, this is the rank from the magazine, up to 2, a second rank in India too. And then if you want to join and also register yourself in this university in SONA College of Technology, please just contact this phone number, or you may contact the representative of SONA groups in Jakarta, TIEUPS, or contact Mr. Ravi Makhija. And I really get inspired with this workshop. And also I would like to say big thanks to Mr. Ravi Makhija, representative from TIEUPS International, some amazing lecturers from SONA College of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu, India. They are Dr. Dhayanithi, Dr. Paramasivam, Dr. Saraswathy, and also Dr. Gayathiri. I would like to say from my deepest of my heart, I would like to say thank you very much for the inspiring workshop. And I'm Tarsis Juni Prastyo, WSPD from SMA Negeri 1 Kota Bukit, Magelang, Central Java, is really waiting for the next workshop and the scholarship for my students. Thank you very much for all the knowledge that you have shared. Hopefully that God always bless you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next opportunity to meet. Bye bye.